Number 8, which sentence presents information that shifts away from the main topic of the third paragraph, sentences 12 to 16, and should be removed? So anytime you talk about shifting away from the main topic and removing the sentence, this question is, again, another classic revising editing question. It's essentially, is the sentence relevant or irrelevant to the passage, to the paragraph? If it's irrelevant to the paragraph idea, it should be removed. So let's take a look and find out which sentence, 13, 14, 15, or 16, is irrelevant to that third paragraph. In a few years, the high-speed rail. So this third paragraph was again describing how big and fast the tunnel is going to be, right? Many of the advantages of it. It will be faster for people to travel between Northern Europe and Southern Europe. The travel time between many European cities, Zurich, Switzerland, Milan, Italy, will be reduced by an hour. So 13 was an option. Note 13 is telling us it will be faster for people to travel. The sentence before is giving us statistics and data. The sentence after is giving us some data as well. But this sentence is not. Don't confuse that to think this is irrelevant. It's absolutely relevant because it will be faster to travel between Northern and Southern Europe. And now we get additional detail. The travel time between Europe, Switzerland, Milan, Italy will be reduced by 1 hour. This is an example of how it's going to be faster to travel to Northern and Southern Europe. 13 and 14 are connected by a relationship of ideas, an example, right? So we cannot separate them. Those will be relevant to the paragraph. So don't get tricked into choosing, say, 13. Sometimes students do. 15. Many European leaders compare the Goddard-based tunnel to the Channel Tunnel, a 33-mile underwater tunnel that connects the UK and France. While there's no roadway in the Channel Tunnel, people can drive their cars onto special trains that will carry vehicles through to the other side. Okay. 15. Many European leaders compare the Goddard Tunnel to the Channel Tunnel. Well, okay, we were talking about the benefits of and how it was faster and big, the Goddard Tunnel. We're now comparing it to the Channel Tunnel. Does that belong? It does, actually. Why not? The Channel Tunnel is another example of a really big tunnel that saves time traveling under an obstacle, in this case, between the UK and France, underneath the English Channel. So that's a relevant comparison and therefore needs to be kept in this paragraph. There's no reason to get rid of that. What is problematic here? Sentence 16. While there is no roadway in the Channel Tunnel, people can drive their cars onto special trains that will carry vehicles through to the other side. So this sentence is talking about the Channel Tunnel, not the Goddard-based tunnel, the Channel Tunnel, which the Goddard Tunnel was compared to. It was compared to because it was a big tunnel that saved time. But these are specific, or sentence 16 is a specific detail about that other Channel Tunnel that's not relevant to the core idea of the comparison, that it's big and saves time. It talks about how people drive their cars onto special trains to get vehicles. Who cares? That's the Channel Tunnel. That has nothing to do with the Goddard-based tunnel and the idea of this paragraph that the Goddard Tunnel is going to be big and fast and save time. The correct answer, the irrelevant paragraph, or the irrelevant sentence, will be sentence 16. H is the answer for 8.